You may have noticed a lot of changes in the automotive service industry with a lot of corporate cost cutting and an attitude where the only thing that matters is their bottom line and not servicing you and your vehicle. When it comes to your vehicle, take it to the guys you can trust.
I'm Jason Shepard, and I'd like you to come see me at Vulcan Tire and Automotive in Hoop.
It's long past time you started feeling confident that you are getting the best for your vehicle.
The best in service, the best in price, locally owned and operated. Learn more at VulcanTireandAuto.com.